Welcome to Health and Technology TV, where innovation meets your everyday life. Today, we're diving into the future of food prep with game-changing kitchen gadgets you never knew you needed, but won't want to live without. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and stay till the end. We're revealing a gadget that literally thinks for you in the kitchen. Let's start with the Smart Nutrition Scale. This isn't just your average scale. It syncs with your phone, breaks down the exact nutritional content of what you're weighing, and even recommends portion sizes. Whether you're counting macros, managing diabetes, or just trying to eat cleaner, this tool gives you the data to do it right. Want one? Check the link in the description. We've listed our top picks. Next up, touchless smart faucets. These aren't just for convenience. They improve hygiene by reducing surface contact and save water by using sensors. Some models even dispense preset amounts, perfect for baking or multitasking. Pro tip: look for one with voice activation via Alexa or Google Home. Tell us in the comments, would you trust your faucet to follow voice commands? Air fryers have gone next gen. The latest models are Wi-Fi connected, app-controlled, and can download cooking instructions for hundreds of meals. You can preheat it on your way home, track your calories, and get cooking tips, all from your phone. Tap the description to see our review of the smartest air fryer of 2025. Tired of babysitting your risotto? Enter the automatic pan stirrer. Set it in your pot, turn it on, and walk away. It stirs for you, evenly and consistently. It's a surprisingly simple invention that saves time and ensures even cooking, great for sauces, soups, and custards. Would you trust a robot with your bechamel? Let us know below. Kitchen sustainability is trending, and countertop composters are leading the way. These odorless devices turn food scraps into compost within hours, not weeks. It's high-tech meets high-impact. If you're into eco-living, this one's for you. Check out our zero-waste kitchen guide, linked below. Let's talk about the brain of your kitchen, the smart fridge. With interior cameras, expiration tracking, and AI that suggests recipes based on what you have, this is more than food storage. Some even sync with your grocery apps and reorder for you. Would you let your fridge shop for you? Vote in the poll on screen. Today's blenders are intelligent. With noise reduction tech, precision temperature control, and built-in timers, these blenders don't just mix, they cook. Some can even self-clean with the push of a button. What's your must-have feature in a blender? Drop your thoughts below. Now for the gadget that truly thinks for you, the AI-powered meal planner and cooker. It scans ingredients you already have, suggests balanced meals, and cooks them automatically in a multi-compartment system. Yes, that's real, and it's coming to market this year. If you want to be the first to try it, hit that bell icon because we're reviewing it as soon as it ships. Thanks for watching Health and Technology TV. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow foodies and tech lovers.